so first step, I know y'all see these little slashes right there. I did that so I know where I want my pocket to be at. So when I tried it on, I measured just like a good length. Still don't know. I think I'm probably gonna use this right here as the waist, elastic band right inside of it. But when we get to that, we gonna see. I'm gonna grab my pocket and lay it right in front of that. I'm gonna mark those lines because realistically, I'm gonna be sewing this, so it's like right here, right here. And I'm gonna connect these lines together. Now, I'm gonna sew this line right here. Make sure you're on the outside of the pants, alright? Because we're gonna reverse it. Next thing you want to do is put some Vaseline on if your lips is as chapped as mine, and drink some water. All right. Can't go wrong with staying hydrated. I'm gonna take off some of this right here. Take off most of this actually. Don't like this blade. I know it's an ugly cut, but it's gonna get fixed later. Y'all joining me with this journey of perfecting my clothing, and as time goes on, I'll be getting better also. But I promise you, the clothes, they gonna fit, they gonna look right when you get them, and it's gonna be legit, and they gonna be fire. When I'm cutting the material, especially when I'm doing things for myself, I know at the end I can fix everything up and make everything look nicer. But almost like the same method of the back pant, I'm gonna cut leading right into that corner. I'm gonna make sure I don't go past that. Do it with this side too. Boom. Now I'm gonna reverse it. When you reverse it, I'm gonna make sure you're taking the corner. I'm gonna take these little pieces out too. Whatnot. We gonna iron this too after we sew it. So this is what you guys want to see. All right. So you see how it goes, boom, boom, boom. That's what you want to look at. Press it down. So I don't know what's going on with my iron. Shit has not been steaming or nothing. I know I did break my steam button, but it was still steaming when it wanted to. But you know, still making it happen. Still doing what I gotta do. That's what most people be forgetting. Everybody be like, oh, I ain't got this, so I can't do this. I ain't got that, so I can't do that. But it's like, you gotta work with whatever you got. See, there was a point in time where I ain't have a sewing machine, an iron, or nothing, but I wanted to make clothes. So I dealt with the cards that I was dealt with. I had $30. I bought some Angelus paint. If you know, you know. Shout out to Angelus paint. And I started customizing shoes to start off, because I was like, I know everybody likes shoes, and nobody really knew about it where I was from. Well, around here. So I was like, let me do that. So started customizing shoes. Then I was able to invest in myself. Then I bought a sewing machine. Then I bought an iron. Then I bought some scissors. I bought rulers. And I made it happen. So whatever cards you was dealt, you gotta play the game. Regardless, there's no excuses. Truthfully, no excuses. Because everybody's situation is different. Everybody else is going through their own problems. So you can rather play the blame game and self-sabotage yourself, or you can make it happen with what you got. That's the advice for today. For this video at least. Just man the fuck up. Nah, I'm playing. But nah, I'm not playing actually. And to my women, y'all be doing good. But I realize women, when they really be wanting something, a lot of them, they be making it happen, truthfully. Like, there is a lot of lazy ones, but nowadays they be grinding. Shout out to all my women, man. But once you flip them, flip your pants, what you gonna do is, because now we gonna sew the pocket closed. I hope you guys can see this. You could sew that together too right there, just to keep it flush. Normally the pockets are separate too, like each side of the pocket is separate, but I like doing it this way for some reason. I just like when you touch the bottom of your pocket, it feels like seamless. It doesn't feel like it's sewn. Look, y'all hear that? That shit working. See, now that's a motherfucking press right there. See, that's all I wanted. That's all I wanted in life. There's a nice press just right there. There's one nice press. You see that? Shmoney. And actually, before we put the pocket and we close it like that. I'm gonna do the other side just so it can be symmetrical and shit ain't looking off. You got one pocket down here, another pocket up there. Like, we don't want that. We don't want that. We don't be looking lopsided and whatnot. But as you can almost see the pocket coming together. You're gonna see how it's gonna become seamless in just a minute. Stay patient, folks. This is a good time to say, alright, so if you haven't already, go ahead and smash that like button. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And if you rock with me, like if you really rocking with me, go ahead and smash that notification button and get a notification every time I post. Cause if I'm posting, that means you learning something, right? So why wouldn't you want to learn something, right? Exactly. So tune in, man. Tune in. Whoever is watching, whoever is out there watching, thank you, man. Thank you. I actually appreciate y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all gonna keep me wanting to keep doing this. Even though I'm gonna do it regardless, but recording the process, it's a whole different story. Like I was procrastinating for so long. Like I got a bunch of videos from like 4 or 5, even 6 years ago, first getting out of high school, and I could rather never finish a video when it came to recording it, or I can never finish editing it. I was like, oh hell no. But I know a lot of people around me was like they want to see it, so I was like, fuck it. Let me grow some cojones and make it happen. So that's why I'm here. That's what I'm doing, making it happen. So quick little fast forward. All I did was the same thing to the other side. I folded it like this, just with the outside of the pants facing in. So I did this side, the outside of the pants facing each other, and I just measured the same length just to duplicate it. My camera overheated, so I was just like, I feel like they can handle it. I don't think I gotta hold your hand the whole way, right? So just duplicate it. Once you do that, you can rewind it too, just so you can just repeat the steps that we did the first time. But now, all I did, I'm gonna fold the pockets like this, and I'm gonna sew it just all boom, 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 just like that. And the pocket's done. Then we can attach the front of the pants to the back of the pants and see what's going on with it. Back pockets. The hell am I doing? Alright then, so I'll be back. I'm finna just sew the back pockets real quick, because that's definitely important. Feel like I can run a motherfucking marathon, this motherfucker. So that's a good sign. They feel comfortable. Tell me how they look though. I know it's a Little awkward point of view. Hopefully I can see those well. I still cup the bottoms. You see how it's all bunchy at the bottom. So I might cup a little bit of that right there. Freaking, even though I kind of like the bagginess on the bottom. They looking good though. Fucking, they feeling comfy. So I can see the hidden pockets right here. Boom. Could did a little bit more, but we chilling. Got this one. Boom. They working good. Throw those up in there. Shmoney. Nice deep pockets too, especially for the back. Let's see. Boom. Just reaching all the way down there. I made sure I made them long. They all the way down there. So this one, see all that? Chilling, got all the space. Fit the 22 in there. Shit, you even fit the 9 mil or the 19. You dig? Alright, so now that we got them locked in, I know that they fitting good. Now it's time to do the waist, actually. We're gonna put the waist stretchy band on there. Then we're gonna do the bottom cuffs. Then we're gonna clean everything up right after. Then we done. Then we done for. Alright, so I know y'all still locked in with me. They coming out nice. I feel like I kind of want them more baggy, but they look good. I kind of like the bottom, how they almost look like stacked pants at the bottom, and they're not giving me trash bag vibes as much. Like before, they definitely was, but they comfy as hell. I tell you that. I get bills on them. I'm under my tails on them. Fucking Party Next Door album is out. That shit rocking. I'm rocking with that shit for sure. Freaking, who else? Even Future and Metro, they album jumping. Who else? J. Cole, his album jumping. I've been listening to Mac Miller too lately. Of course, the old Mac Miller. Like that shit rocking for sure. Go ahead and leave in the comments what your current playlist looking like right now. Also, Kelvin Marie, his album just dropped. Of Course Is Me. That's the title of it. Of Course Is Me on all streams. So go stream that right there. Definitely bangers on that one. Headphone bangers, radio bangers, club bangers. He got everything on there for the most part. But yeah, go check out the bro, cause that shit's fire. I get it, I get it, I get it, I get it, I get it,
pulling the cash out, or finally finding the math out. I get it like Coco with the mask out. I get it like dope in the trap house.
Hey, hey, I get it, I get it, I get it.
Hey, I hope you're doing really good. But I still think about you a lot. Call me sometime, okay? Anyways.
So hey, where you at, boy? Yeah, left the nigga, now she changing. Her in the club, then bonding. That relationship more solid than the payment. She don't want a replacement. Shorty wants something for entertainment. Hold up my drink, the fuck do you think? She ain't even came from the saving. Feeling tipsy, she feeling risky. She rollin' with me, she feeling kinky. Have her back to back like a slinky. She dance like the diamond on my pinky. Titanic, how she wanna sink me. But washing my hands, tryna clean. Getting a name, she feeling offended. I told her I get it, I get it, I get it. Remember that Chanel, I shorty, she with it. Pushing P like the P on my fitted. Played her the song, said it made it feel wicked. I told her I get it, I get it, I get it. She wanted to come, but I only insisted. This only had that shit pouring like liquid. She wanted to fuck, but she don't want commitment. I told her I get it, I get it, I get it. I get it, I get it, I get it. I get it, I get it, I get it. I get it, I get it, I get it. I get it, I get it, I get it. I get it, I get it, I get it. Told her as fuck, she my little bitty. When I come through the city, she wanna keep it low key. I told her I get it, I get it, I get it. I get it like pulling that cash out, or finally finding the math out. I get it like cover when the math.
Alright, so that's a wrap for another episode of WTFIN. Thank you guys for tuning in. I know you guys couldn't have watched this episode without watching the last one, so I appreciate you guys transferring over from the last video that's right here on this screen right here to this one. That means you guys are following along and you guys are enjoying your time and you guys are also learning, so that's key. That's pretty much what I'm here for, is to teach, learn, and have a good time at the same time. So thank you guys once again. I already said in the middle of the video that all these pieces that I'm doing, It's demos, at least if it's for me, they're all demo pieces, so I can get them sent over to production, and the manufacturers can mass produce them in a quantity of like 50 to 100, keep them super limited. Stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for the next episode. We're going even bigger. We're just gonna keep the ball rolling. Alright, we're gonna keep expanding, keep learning, keep getting bigger, and you already know what's up. I ain't gotta say too much. Thank you guys once again. FD out. My job here is to make it as easy as possible for myself to execute it and bring my thoughts to life. Let's go.
My nigga only focus on chasing the bag. I told that nigga go get it. Can't see my niggas go now, so I had to fall down. Had to tell him I get it.